Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique,
where today we're diving into one of the best high-waisted biker shorts available on the market, the FULLSOFT high-waisted biker shorts for women. These biker shorts have been making waves for their incredible design and functionality. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just lounging around, these shorts promise both style and comfort.
let's talk about what sets these shorts apart. Firstly, the high-waisted design offers excellent tummy control, giving you that extra confidence during your workouts.
The fabric, a blend of 92% polyester and 8% spandex, is not only super soft but also breathable, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable throughout. Another standout feature is the four-way stretch capability, which provides maximum flexibility and ensures these shorts move with you, whether you're stretching, squatting, or doing yoga poses.
And here's the best part, they're non-see-through, so you can bend and move without worrying about transparency.
These shorts aren't just about functionality, they're also a fashion statement. Available in a variety of colors and sizes, you can find the perfect pair to match your style.
Plus, they're easy to care for, just a simple hand wash and they're good to go.
Don't just take my word for it. Customers love these shorts for their comfort, fit, and how they enhance their workout experience. Whether you're pairing them with a sports bra for the gym or a casual top for a day out, these biker shorts are versatile and chic. So, if you're looking for the best in high-waisted biker shorts, look no further than the FULLSOFT high-waisted biker shorts for women.
Check the link in the description to get yours today.
Thank you for watching today's review.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and lifestyle tips. Until next time, stay stylish and stay active.